Hello friends, welcome to Indo Ayur. Today I am showing you how to kill diabetes drinking an effective Ayurvedic juice. Besides this herbal juice can save your heart, liver, kidney, etc. How to make this juice? We need 2 or 3 Indian gooseberry or amalaki. Amalaki is a very good remedy for treating diabetes. Make a juice of this fruit. Now get a piece of raw turmeric and make a spoon of juice. Add this juice of raw turmeric to the juice of amalaki. Now add a spoon of honey to the mixture of juice of turmeric and amalaki. Stir for well mixing. Take this remedy twice a day in the morning and evening. Please remember, don't take this home remedy on an empty stomach. You should take this after taking breakfast. Repeat the same process in the evening. Continue this herbal medicinal juice for 4 weeks to see the best result. But you will see the good effects of the medicine in a week. Check your blood sugar levels regularly during taking the medicine. Take care. Thank you for watching.